Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you our basic blacksmithing kit. Safety glasses, because you should always wear them. If you don't wear them, you'll get burns on your eyelids. Best case scenario. Ask me how I know. So tongs. So these are great beginner tongs. I used a pair very similar to these in gauge and function, almost exclusively for the first few years of my blacksmithing career, and they're right here. These are called chain tongs. They're about the same size. They're about the same gauge. I love that they have the ability to hold a piece of stock. This is 1/4 inch square, long ways and across. So when I'm working a project and I make something on the end and then I bend it and I want to suddenly go from holding it endwise to middle-wise, then these can handle it. And if you wanted to adjust them for a larger stock, then you absolutely could. Just heat them up. Here is the hammer that comes with the kit. It's a 2.2 pound cross peen, your regular everyday working hammer. And in my experience, this is a good size for most people. You probably want to dress the faces up a little bit when you get this one home, but should keep you going for quite a while since it's not too small and not too big. The kit also comes with beeswax, which is a finish to put on your pieces. You rub it on there while your piece is still hot, but not so hot that the wax is smoking. Wipe off the extra, and it's also food safe. A wire brush, yours, mine, they're the same one. This is what you use to scrub the scale off your piece once you've finished smithing it. Gets all the scale off. Takes no power tools, just a little bit of elbow grease for a while. Easier to do it while your piece is still a little bit hot. And basic hand tool. Finally, here is the apron that comes with the kit. So this will save your clothes. I find that this part of my pants, this part of the apron gets very stained. Has some pockets if you want to hold tools in it. This is big enough for most people. You can see this is a little bit long on me. I would just tie it up if I were adjusting this apron for myself. Great piece of protective clothing to have in your shop. So that's it for what's in our beginning blacksmithing kit. It's just a collection of basic tools and protective gear that everyone needs when they start blacksmithing. If you think we missed something that everyone should have, then let us know in the comments.